Good morning, this is Jason Scott. Today is December the 7th, 2012, and here's a look at your national weather. Starting in the northeast, it looks like rain showers spreading into the southern part of New England. Some minor flight delays will be expected in the New York City and Philly areas. Afternoon highs will be mostly in the 40s with a few 30s over northern New England. Highs will be near 50 over much of Maryland and Virginia. A surge of warmer temperatures will return this weekend with highs ranging from the 40s near the Canadian border to the 60s in Virginia. Over in the Midwest, looks like rain blossoms across the Ohio Valley and southern Great Lakes. Some areas may receive 1 to 2 inches of rain from the Cincinnati area to Pittsburgh. A little light snow with a weak disturbance is also sneaking in from the east. I mean, moving eastward from the Dakotas into the parts of Minnesota. Some areas may see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow accumulations out of this weak disturbance. Highs will struggle to hit 20 degrees around the Canadian border, but most of the areas looking to see mild temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Arctic air, the coldest of the season, will plunge southward through the plains late Saturday into Sunday. Moderate snow accumulations possible with this Arctic blast on Saturday night and Sunday from eastern Dakotas through Minnesota and Wisconsin. Over the southern part of the U.S., much of this region can expect dry conditions on Friday. Scattered light showers are likely along the southeast coast from the Carolinas down through the Florida peninsula. A stray shower cannot be ruled out for parts of the lower Mississippi Valley, Alabama, and northern Georgia, although most of the region will be mostly dry. A wedge of cooler air is in place over the southeast and Florida, and most areas are running near or slightly below average. High temperatures over the Carolinas and northern Georgia will hold in the 50s and low 60s. Warmer air and highs in the 60s and 70s over much of Texas. A warm December air will replace with a surge of Arctic air for the southern plains late this weekend. So expect a change in weather coming up this weekend. Over the western part of the U.S., it looks like unsettled conditions will continue across the northwest or the northeast and the northern Rockies, with Rockies receiving some rain and snow mixed showers. Significant snowfall, though, upwards of 2 feet, is likely over the Washington Cascades on Friday. Snow elevations will lower to 2,000 feet, well below the past levels. Snowfall, some significant in the mountains of Idaho and Montana and Wyoming. The southwest will be mostly quiet with warm and dry weather. High temperatures in the northwest and the northern Rockies should be in the 30s and 40s. Highs over the central part of California to Colorado will be in the 40s, 50s, and a few low 60s. Warmer in the southwest with highs mainly in the 60s and 70s. Denver and the Colorado front Range will likely see some snow on Saturday night and Sunday as an Arctic air plunges through the region. Good news for the ski resorts in Vail, Aspen, and Breckenridge with some snow accumulations, maybe up to a foot. That's a look at your latest weather. I'm Jason Scott saying have a happy Friday.